Humanity has only just begun to lift its gaze to the stars, and already, the universe is revealing itself as something far more mysterious, more beautiful, and, yes, more terrifying than we ever imagined. Among the groundbreaking discoveries unveiled by the James Webb Space Telescope, one stands out as both awe-inspiring and chilling, a revelation about Proxima B, the planet just 4 light-years away, which has long captured our imaginations as a potential haven for life. Once thought to be a promising candidate for habitability, Proxima B now presents a disturbing reality. It is being torn apart by deadly radiation storms from its very own star. This unsettling discovery forces us to confront a fundamental question: what does this mean for the possibility of life beyond Earth? Could this dramatic shift in our understanding of Proxima B, and by extension, the entire universe, redefine everything we thought we knew about life and survival in the cosmos? Let's take a closer look at this strange and frightening world. Proxima B has intrigued astronomers ever since its discovery. The planet is tidally locked, meaning that one hemisphere is constantly bathed in sunlight while the other is shrouded in eternal darkness. Theoretically, this unique characteristic could create a habitable zone, the so-called twilight zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water to exist, a crucial element for life as we know it. In the past, some scientists even speculated that an advanced civilization could thrive on Proxima B, utilizing futuristic technologies to survive in these extreme conditions by balancing the extremes of perpetual daylight and darkness. However, recent data from the James Webb Space Telescope has shattered those speculative dreams, revealing something far more ominous. The telescope has detected faint, irregular light emissions coming from the planet's dark side, light that appears unnatural, and unlike anything we've seen in nature. These mysterious emissions resemble artificial light, the kind that could only be generated by intelligent beings. But what's even more unsettling is that these emissions don't align with any known natural phenomenon, sparking questions about who, or what, could be responsible for them. Could this strange light signal hope? Or could it be a harbinger of something far darker? Before we jump to conclusions, we must consider the possibility that these eerie lights may not be a sign of civilization or progress. They may, in fact, be a signal of distress. Perhaps they are a desperate cry for help from a world ravaged by forces beyond its control. Or they might even represent the dominance of an unknown power, one that has adapted to survive under the most extreme conditions imaginable, conditions that we can scarcely fathom. Could these lights be the last vestige of a civilization struggling to survive in the shadow of its dying star? Or might they be an assertion of strength, a message from a people who have conquered the impossible? To understand the severity of Proxima B's situation, we need to look at the star around which it orbits, a red dwarf, infamous for its violent solar flares. These eruptions are capable of stripping away a planet's atmosphere, bombarding its surface with radiation so intense that no known form of life could survive it. If life does exist on Proxima B, it would have to possess extraordinary resilience, perhaps even evolving in ways that defy our understanding of biology. Perhaps this life has adapted in ways so alien, so beyond our comprehension, that it could survive in environments we would consider uninhabitable. This possibility raises an unsettling question: if these beings have managed to adapt to such a hostile world, what would they make of Earth? Would they see our planet as a lush paradise, teeming with resources and life, a place so rich compared to the barren wasteland of their home? And if they are watching us, what conclusions might they draw about humanity? What intentions might they have toward us? Would they come in peace, or could they view us as an inferior species to be conquered or exploited? As we delve deeper into the mysteries of Proxima B, it becomes clear that the planet's environment presents unimaginable challenges. The tidally locked nature of the planet creates two distinct hemispheres, one perpetually scorched by its sun, the other locked in eternal darkness. But the narrow twilight zone that lies between these extremes could, in theory, harbor liquid water, making it the most likely candidate for potential habitability. However, this potential is overshadowed by the intense radiation from Proxima's star, which batters the planet's surface. Even within the twilight zone, life would need extraordinary adaptations, perhaps underground habitats, radiation shielding, or even bioengineering techniques far beyond our own. Then, there are those strange light emissions. Could these lights be the signature of a civilization that has learned to thrive in the dark? Perhaps they have developed technology that allows them to harness energy from their hostile environment, creating light sources unlike anything we could imagine. If this is the case, what does their society look like? Are they so advanced that they possess technologies far beyond our wildest dreams? And if these beings are intelligent, what are their thoughts on Earth? Could they be observing us, waiting for the right moment to make contact, or worse, to make a move? The eerie possibility remains that these lights could be more than just a signal of life. They might be a warning, a desperate plea for help from a civilization under siege or destruction. Alternatively, they could be a chilling display of dominance, a sign that those who live on Proxima B have learned to survive under extreme circumstances, asserting their existence with a defiant glow in the darkness. The James Webb Space Telescope's incredible capabilities have allowed us to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before. It has granted us the ability to study exoplanets like Proxima B, revealing new layers of complexity about worlds beyond our reach. The telescope's advanced infrared technology has provided a window into the atmospheres of distant planets, searching for chemical signatures that could hint at the presence of life. But in the case of Proxima B, the findings are far from straightforward. We're seeing high levels of ionizing radiation, strange chemical compositions, erratic temperature fluctuations, and those strange light emissions. All of these anomalies point to a world that is anything but normal, a planet that may be teetering on the edge of survival. This discovery forces us to ask difficult questions. If intelligent life does exist on Proxima B, how have they adapted to such a brutal environment? What lessons can we learn from their resilience? And if they are watching us from their darkened world, what might they think of our fragile planet? Proxima B's fate serves as a stark reminder of the precariousness of life on any planet, and how easily that balance can be disrupted by cosmic forces beyond our control. Could the same forces that threaten Proxima B one day threaten Earth? As we study this distant planet, we are confronted with the delicate balance required to sustain life. Perhaps, by understanding the harsh realities of Proxima B, we can better protect our own world from future threats. Proxima B's story is more than just the tale of one far-off planet, it is a chapter in humanity's greater journey to understand the cosmos. As we continue to explore these distant worlds, we not only uncover the wonders of the universe but also confront the many dangers that lie in wait. The James Webb Space Telescope has opened up a new era of exploration, one that reveals both the astonishing beauty and the terrifying realities of the cosmos. Proxima B, once seen as a possible hope for extraterrestrial life, now stands as a chilling testament to the unforgiving nature of the universe. Its story reminds us of the incredible resilience needed to survive in such a harsh environment, and the ingenuity required to continue our exploration of the stars. As we look to the future, we must be ready for the unknown, both the marvels and the challenges that await us. The haunting truths revealed by Proxima B compel us to continue our search for answers, to keep questioning, and to boldly reach for the mysteries that lie beyond the veil of the night sky. This is just the beginning of our journey, and the universe has only just begun to